Good morning, everybody. I am Sunil Kolhatkar, and I am going to talk about Betterment, which is an American financial advisory company which provides robo advising and cash management services. Betterment is a very popular financial advisory company in United States. It has done one acquisition and total funding amount is $275 million till date. By April 2019, Betterment had 16.4 billions of assets. Betterment is having a unique business model which consists of a wide spectrum of customers. It caters to different needs of investors by offering two different products. First, Betterment Digital with no minimum balance and charge of 0.25% annually. And second is Betterment Premium, which provides unlimited phone access to advisors for 0.40% fee and 100K account as a minimum. They also cater to both business and retail customers. In addition, Betterment is one of the few robo advisors who provides option to cater investment in ESG portfolio and thus excluding many companies with environmental and social issues. Hence, they attract lot of millennial and Gen Z customers. Another aspect of this company is diversification of product. In addition to providing multiple investing options, Betterment also provides high yielding saving accounts since 2019. It comes with interest rate of 1.83% with no minimum balance requirement. Why customers are attracting to Betterment? Because it is it gives a very good great customer experience. Betterment boasts one of the easiest accounts to set up. It presents you with asset allocation suggestion and associated risk, which you can change by adjusting the percentage of equity various fixed income held in the portfolio. Additionally, Betterment presents with free portfolio rebalancing. It is achieved by them by developing a very sophisticated software, by developing a unique artificial intelligence portfolio. Now you will ask me, how does Betterment works? As a robo-advisor, Betterment uses algorithms to allocate and invest client money in a fashion that these algorithms deem as best for their situations, based on clients' answers to number of questions. They have developed a set of questions for different type of customers from age 20 to age 60 with different financial conditions, with different financial goals, with different salaries, with different businesses, with different geographies. And these questions, on the base of portfolio, they will ask to a particular person. They have a simple process. They will ask number of questions and gather data about you. And based on these answers, they build a portfolio for you. It uses various ETFs to build their portfolios. Based on your investing goals and objectives, they indicate that they will help you to decide how much to invest initially, how much to invest on ongoing basis in order to help you to reach your goals. They have various partnership with various mutual funds, various stockbrokers, where they are getting up to date information about the mutual funds and stocks. They use their technology to invest your money. They indicate that this technology will help to determine how to reinvest in any dividends when earned, and they will also help to manage the sales of any holdings in the most tax efficient manner possible. They have built and developed all the algorithm necessary to buy and sell different type of financial instruments at the right time, at the right price. Let us look into business model canvas of Betterment. Who are the key partners of Betterment? First is member of financial industry regulatory body, second is technology providers, and third is payment gateways. Which are the key activities which Betterment is doing? One is retail investment, second is maintaining retirement accounts, third is social media and market, and fourth is developing the algorithms by using AI, ML, consulting, NLP, SEO, which gives a better advice to their customers. Fifth is decision making. It really helps people to take the decision by their smart algorithms. What is the value proposition of Betterment? It is to empower people to take right decisions about their money so as to live better life. It helps to invest customers at incredibly low cost to give higher returns as compared to traditional investments. And third is offer broker dealer services. Fourth aspect of BMC is customer relationship. What kind of customer relationship it is having? It is having B2C as well as B2B relationships. It is having online financial advisor. It is having online investment advisor. Also, it is maintaining one-to-one relationship with financial advisors. It helps for automated investing to their customers. What are the customer segment of Betterment? One is individuals, second is businesses, and third is financial advisors. For Betterment, key resources are very important. Which are they? They are one, financial planning tools, second is portfolio with TaxSmart, third is licensed financial experts, fourth is seed money, fifth is robo advisory technologies, and seventh is data analysis team which develop all the algorithms and smart logics for them. Sixth is channels which are very important how for reaching their customers. First is robo advisors, second is advisors over the phone, third is website, fourth is mobile applications, and fifth are online surveys, press conference, and referral programs. Cost structure is very important aspect of any business model canvas. For for Betterment, what are the important cost structures? One is marketing, sales support, and customer advice. Second is research centers. Third is research and development, and fourth is IT infrastructure. To run any company, revenue streams are very important. For Betterment, there are three important revenue streams. First is fee charge as a percentage of assets that it manages. Second is digital annual fees, a management fee of 0.25%. And third is premium annual fee. It is a management fee of 0.40%. I am going to talk about Betterment's customer journey, which is very successful. What are the important phases of customer journey? First is attract, second is inspire, third is try, fourth is adapt, and fifth is achieve. Now let us see what covers in first phase, which is attract. What is the user outcome of this? Betterment resonates with me. And what is the business KPIs? Are the visits. Second is inspire. In inspire, what is the important aspect which Betterment looks into? I get what Betterment does and Betterment gets me. In inspire, sign up starts and sign up completion rate is very good. Third is try. Betterment is not a typical financial service company, it is magic, and they try to achieve this user outcome by various aspects. What is the business KPIs for try, which is deposit rates and withdrawal rates. Fourth is adapt. What is the user outcome is expected is Betterment is an integral part of my financial life, due to which people adapt to Betterment. And what are the business KPIs? Total deposits and feature adoption rate. And fifth and very important aspect of customer journey is achieve. And what is the user outcome? Betterment has allowed me to live a better life. And what are the business KPIs? Percentage on track goals and referrals and NPS. Let us talk about general procedure of this customer journey. A visit leads to sign up leads to an initial deposit, an initial deposit leads to another deposit or opening new type of account. As Betterment provides smart advice on various investments, on various financial instruments, person who has signed up for Betterment is attracted towards the various intelligent advices given by Betterment. Eventually, all these interactions culminate in users achieving financial goal. This can unfold over months, even years. If we don't build the relation correctly, we don't be successful. That is a simple motto of betterment. Therefore, these five phases are very important: attract, inspire, try, adopt, achieve. This is a self explanatory slide about betterment's competition. I have considered 10 companies on the basis of CEO score, employees, total fundings, and revenue. If you see, Betterment is at top at CEO score and total funding. It is a really promising company. Betterment is a very popular robo advisor. In this slide, you can see various robo advisors and their strengths. For example, M1 Finance is popular for automated and or hands-on investing. Betterment is popular for simple platform and competitive pricing. Wealthfront is popular for strong financial planning component. Ally Invest is popular for easy application process. Accounts is popular for beginners, savers and investors. Simple is popular for ETF investors. Personal Capital is popular for high net worth and access to human advisors. Future Advisor is free investing resources. And Vanguard is popular for mutual fund investors. Here, Betterment is stand apart because it is a very simple platform and it is very competitive from the pricing perspective. Betterment is using latest technologies for its platform. For application and data, it is using JavaScript, PHP, Nginx, Python, Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, CSS3, Google Cloud Platform, Go, underscore, etc. For utilities, it is using Google Analytics, Meligan, Mixpanel, Mandrill, CrazyX. For DevOps, it is extensively using Docker and New Relic. For business tools, it is using WordPress, G Suite, and Coloro. Thank you very much for listening about Betterment. And if you have any queries, please contact me at sunilk@gmail.com. Thanks again.